If you're like me, you've probably heard a lot about the 3M Extract Clean Sanding discs and how great they are. Now, I've been using this Festool sander for most of my projects and I thoroughly enjoy it. The dust extraction is great and overall a fantastic sander. And I have been using the standard Festool paper. Now, this is great paper. I've got no complaints whatsoever except for the Festool tax. With these costing almost $1 a piece, they're pretty expensive. Compare that to the Extract that I got off Amazon, and these are going for about 50 cents a sheet Canadian, so about half the price of what you're going to pay for the Festool sandpaper. One thing you will notice is if you put the 3M paper directly on to your factory Festool backing pad, that it doesn't hold very well. It doesn't really grip on there. So that's going to be a problem. The other problem too is that because this is so thin, it really doesn't protect this at all. And so you're going to go through these $70 backing pads pretty darn quickly. Luckily, Festool is also looking at doing some sort of thin sheet sandpaper, and as a result have come out with an interface pad that works perfect for this application. The other nice thing is these are about $20 Canadian for a 2-pack. I will be using these even with the regular Festool sandpaper because it is going to protect this $70 pad. Now with the Festool interface pad installed, now when you go and attach to the 3M paper, you've got a really good hold. So if you're going to use the 3M paper, do yourself a favor, go and get yourself the Festool interface pad.